Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have in for you the Madam Glam April collection. This is the House of Light. So I did get 4 out of the 8 from the House of Light collection, which was Madam Glam's April launch. And then they also sent over a second package with 2 of their 3D gels. We have Mirage 3D Sculpting Gel and Frosting 3D Art Gel. So let me get into the colors first. I do have 3 colors, and then they did come out with another confetti no wipe top coat, which is super jam-packed with confetti. I'm super excited to see that swatched. So let's get into these colors. This first one is the King's Speech. Here's what the King's Speech looks like. This is a light peachy shade. This next one is I Rule. Here is what I Rule looks like. It is a nice sky blue shade, really pretty. And I do want to point out that this month the jars do have cute little flowers on them. And the last color I have here is Angelic Sonita. Here's what Angelic Sonita looks like. This is a light pinky purple shade, really pretty. And then here is the Confetti No Wipe that they released. This is King of Glam, and I have I made an extra peach swatch to put this over. So here is what King of Glam looks like. It is a really fun confetti mix. And you could do a couple layers of this too to build it up to be more like the swatch on the lid. Really fun and pretty for spring. I'm gonna go ahead and top coat the rest and we'll come back. And then I do wanna go over the 3D gels really quick. So Mirage is a 3D sculpting gel. So this one's gonna be more of a gummy texture. It's pretty thick. And this one you can actually roll out and mold into different shapes, whatever you wanna do. This would be good if you wanna create like a 3D gummy bear on top. You could build that out, or flowers. That is what Mirage is gonna be for, doing more actual 3D work. And then Frosting 3D nail art is gonna be more for creating raised lines. So here is Frosting. You can see it's definitely not as thick as Mirage. This one you can create 3D chrome effects would be good. They're both no white, but this one, if you want to create like the unicorn nails, I do believe I have a video up on unicorn nails and doing the raised 3D ridges. I'll link it down below if I can find it. If you want me to do an updated unicorn nail tutorial, let me know. But those are the new 3D gels that they launched. So definitely leave your suggestions in the comments for what types of videos you would want to see me testing out these new 3D gels. Okay, so here are the colors all swatched out. Then I do have matte on the 3 colors. Really pretty for spring. I want to go ahead and do some comparisons now. So for the confetti top coat, we have 3 other confetti top coats, but they are very different. So here is the new one. And then these are the 2 from last month that got released. They're both bar glitters and different tones. And then here is the one that released last year, which is more sparse, and they are iridescent glitters. So all of the confetti ones are pretty different. And then for the King's Speech, I have 3 Madam Glam I pulled and then 2 Light Elegance. So if we start with the Madam Glam lineup, this one is Cheek to Cheek, which is quite a bit darker of a peach. This one is No Angel, which leans more towards a nude versus an actual peachy. And then here is Peach Pie, which probably comes the closest, but it is still a little bit darker. So if we have the lineup of our peaches, we do have a nice peach ombre. So if you wanted to do a peach set and do it ombre like this, would be pretty. The 2 I pulled from Light Elegance were What's in Your Basket and Dreamsicle. What's in Your Basket is more pink and quite a bit darker. Now Dreamsicle might come close. Oh yeah, here is Dreamsicle. I feel like it's a little bit more vibrant than the King's Speech, but they are pretty close. Then for Eye Rule, I pulled a few from Madam Glam. We didn't have quite the same comparison for this type of a blue. This one's aqua blue, so this one is the sky blue that I was using previous. You can see it's quite a bit darker. This one is Honeydew, so this is how it compares to like a more seafoam color. This one is Candyland, which again looks more green in color. And then here is Pure Cloud, which is actually lighter than our new shade. So this one was a good addition. I did pull 1 blue from Light Elegance. Light Elegance doesn't have very many blues, but I think these are going to be comparable. Here is Blue Skies Ahead, and it's a little bit darker, but I feel like they're fairly close in color. And then lastly, for Angelic Sonata, this being a pinky purple didn't quite compare to anything. So this one is Viola, which is quite a bit lighter, definitely more chalkier. This one is one of my favorites, Light Lilac. You can see how Angelic Sonata looks quite a bit more pink. And then here's a pink I pulled, Tulips. You can see definitely looks more purple compared to Tulips. So again, good addition to the Madam Glam world. I did pull 2 Light Elegance, starting with Soft Serve, which is quite a bit lighter. This is more of your pastel purple. I do love this color though. And then Lazy Day Lavender, which gets closer, but you can see it is a few shades darker. So again, here are the new shades. I do want to do a quick Easter tutorial with these colors since this video is going up Easter weekend, so thought might as well come up with a cute Easter nail art using the new colors. Okay, so here is how the Easter set came out. I did end up using 3 out of the 4 colors. Well, I used the 2 colors and then the top coat. So the only color I didn't use was the peach, which is the King's Speech. And then I did pull Pivot to use as my nude background. I think it came out super cute. I just wanted to play around with the 3D art just to show you guys kind of how to use it. But that is my quick little Easter tutorial for you guys. So again, here are all of the colors I got in. I will put up on the screen now a full shot of all of the colors that they released. Really pretty spring colors, not pastel. They lean a little bit brighter for spring, brighter than pastels, but still springy colors. And again, here is my little Easter tutorial for you guys. And you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of this collection and if you are picking up any of the colors or the no wipe top coat. I love when they do fun no wipe top coats. I'm missing their speckled one. I definitely need to get that one in. That would have been, again, perfect for Easter nails. But I really love the colors. I'm not big into pastel colors, so I love how these are a little bit brighter for spring. And as always, I have my discount code to Madam Glam. I will put it up on the screen as well as a link in the description box down below. But make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching and tutorial videos, and make sure you're subscribed for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.